You may or may not have noticed in some of my previous videos I have this curtain here, the back door's dangling down. Well, it's got a little bit tatty. You see there, it's yeah, it's got very religious, yes, it's got very holy. So I'm going to plan to make a new one. My mum made me this one when I first bought the boat, which has stood up quite well for 3.5 years. But yes, it needs replacing, so I'll show you what I'm planning. Well, what I have is an old duvet cover here. This duvet cover is a little bit short. It's a king size duvet cover, and I only really need a double duvet cover for this bed. But I have used this in the past with a king size duvet, but it's a little bit on the short side. For some reason it was manufactured too short. The duvet doesn't really fit in it properly. So I'm going to use this to make my new curtain with. Yeah, Trevor making a curtain. The first for everything. And I'm going to be attempting to make it with this that I picked up at a facilities point where people leave things out at times, you know. So yeah, it's absolutely free. It had this cotton on it when I bought it. It's got, I think they're called bobbins or whatever. Put stuff in here, I believe. It's got something in there. I really don't know anything about sewing machines, so this is going to be a first. There's a handle here which looks like it's been repaired at some point in time. Someone's put a little bolt through here. I don't know if that's well. Yeah, I really don't know. I guess that's got to be fixed into there so it stays. So when you turn the handle, you know, you actually operate the machine. Well, this is going to be fun. Yeah, I'm not sure how much I'll film. I'll try and show you the end product if nothing else. Well, I decided that I needed it about 42 inches wide. It actually needs to be 36 to cover the gap, but to give some pleating. So I've made a little mark there. This is actually about 43.5 inches wide, where I've made this little black mark here with a pen, because I thought it was a nice line I could follow with the scissors to actually cut it out down that black line. So that's what I'm going to try and do now. You may have guessed already, I've actually got it sitting on my bed. So I've just turned it around the other way so I can get to this side for cutting. And my black mark is somewhere here. There's my little marker. So, time to cut. So I only have a pair of kitchen scissors. So this could end up by being a complete disaster, but we'll see. I'm cutting through 2 layers of material here. The whole duvet. I would guess dressmaker's scissors or tailor's scissors would be a lot better for doing this with than a pair of kitchen scissors. There you go, I am making progress. Slow, but getting there. I have to move the camera now because it's in the way for me doing the rest. Well, I've got the sewing machine set up. I've got Remembrance Day going on in the background here on my laptop, my 2C channel, and I'm going to attempt to sew down this bit here. But I suddenly realised I think it comes in from the other side, and I'm left-handed, so I'm going to have to turn the sewing machine around and do it from the other way, I guess, because I think it's supposed to come in from that way, the material. There's a little lip bit for guiding it in. Yeah, I never thought of that being left-handed, did I? So, well, let's try turning it around and see what I can do. I've turned it around, and this is, as you can see, this bit is designed for the material to go underneath this side, so that's correct. I seem to have some other problems, so Let's see what's going on. Well, this bit here where it picks up the cotton from underneath, yeah, there's supposed to be, well, let's see what it's supposed to be. These bits are supposed to be in there. Now, I think that sits onto there somehow. And this all ring goes all around it or something. Not sure how. And all goes in here. And I think this bit here holds it all in. Yeah, I know nothing about sewing machines. I wondered why when I turned the handle nothing happened. Yeah, this is beyond me. I need somebody that knows how to put these things together. So that's the last of my attempt to making my new curtain, I guess, unless I hand stitch it, which I don't feel like doing. So I'm hoping I'll bump into somebody that knows a bit about sewing machines and can show me how to put that back together again. Oh well, at least I got it for free. And that's how it's going to stay for now. Yeah, that one didn't work, Trev. No curtain. Perhaps I'll have to buy a curtain. It might be a lot easier in the long run. Not cheaper though, is it? Well, what can I say? Failed. Thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.